So we'll be starting up here, make a little skid site here, then we'll be dropping into the trail down here. Have a bit of a potential option for a hip right here, sending us down to
You'll
there.
be able to send off there, like down into here and things. And then come down here. We've been digging away at the bank, you can see.
And we've spent probably 2 hours on this step down. It's been quite a fun build and made the landing look all butters. And then down here we're gonna send
Kind of berm sort of lip off by this tree. And then land somewhere down here and then go down here. Ollie, if you come down here, we're going to come through here and we found a cool spot where we can come down the bank just here. So yeah, should be quite cool.
Hi, my name's Oliver, and Tasman and I have been riding for about 4 years. We like to ride in our local bike park up Sylvan Forest in Richmond. You can see a couple of videos on that on my channel. Thanks for supporting this. You guys are amazing.
Hi, my name's Tasman. Oliver and I have been building a sick Loma, as you can see, of this drop. It's pretty cool. It's about 1 metre, so reasonable size, and I hope you enjoy the build laps.
So this is the feature we've been building. Just taken us about an hour. The start of our shark fin, which is pretty cool. Doing a bit of trimming there, Taz.
Yep. Well, you see these branches, you wouldn't want to catch an eyeball.
Nah. Pretty unfortunate if you did.
Yeah. This is like not a loam at all. Like no little cutty berms. It's more just like
It's like the opposite of one.
free ride. Yeah. When we build the landing down there, it'll look sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.